You need to hear this if you're a food lover. Cameroon's top dish is about to blow your taste buds away. Imagine a dish so divine it makes you want to dance. Meet Ndole, the superstar of Cameroonian cuisine. This mouth-watering marvel is a hearty stew made from bitter leaves, peanuts, and your choice of fish or beef. The flavors? Oh, they're a symphony in your mouth. Ndole isn't just food, it's a celebration of culture and tradition. Picture this, a family gathering, vibrant music, and everyone savoring this rich, flavorful stew. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. And here's the kicker, it's packed with nutrients. Those bitter leaves. They're a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. So, you're not just indulging, you're nourishing your body too. Next time you're craving something exotic and delicious, remember Ndole, Cameroon's gift to the world, and trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So food lovers ready to add a little Cameroonian magic to your menu? Give Ndole a try and let the flavors transport you. Bon appétit, jeune!